This is Cheryl Geisler for Coding Streams of Language. Today we're looking at MAXQDA Procedure 5.2, putting the two codings side by side for MAXQDA data. Here we'll be working with codings done by a first and second coder in a project and duplicate project in MAXQDA. We want to put these two sets of coding decisions side by side in an Excel file so that we can calculate the intercoder agreement. I begin in the project with the first coding. To merge the two codings into the same project, I use the Merge Projects command under Projects in the menu bar. I bring the second coding project in. I verify that I've got the right projects. Now I see that I have both codings in as separate documents in one project. To check intercoder agreement, I use the intercoder agreement command under Analysis in the menu bar. I choose Segment Agreement, and then I make sure that my level of agreement is set to 100%. I click OK. Once I have the results, I want to export them to Excel, and I can do this by clicking on the Excel icon in the Results window. Now my data opens in Excel. Putting the two codings side by side takes a few steps. First, I insert a second coding column next to the first one. I need to change its format from text to general using the Number tab of the Cells command under Format on the menu bar. To keep things straight, I label the original column as first coding and my new column as second coding. To copy the second coder decisions from the first column into the second column, I need to set the first cell of the new second column equal to the code given by the second coder, which is on the next line down in the first column. I do this by typing equal and then clicking on that value in the second row of the first column. I hit return. I leave the next cell down, the one next to the code given by the second coder, blank. Now I select these two cells, the one with the formula and the one that is blank, and drag down to the end of the data in the second column. To make the copied values in the second column permanent, I select the second coding column. I copy it, and then use the Paste Special command to fix the values. I click OK. Now the second column will contain fixed values for my second coder codes rather than the formulas. Finally, I select all of the data. And then on the Data tab, I use the Remove Duplicates command. In the pop-up menu, I select just the name of the column that begins with Begin, which is column G here. And I click OK. And now I see that I have my two sets of coding decisions side by side in Excel. To learn more, visit the WAC Clearinghouse at the link on your screen to download Coding Streams of Language for free.